I purchased this so that I could change my USB-C connections on a USB hub that I have that's part of my monitor to USB-A's, which I use more than USB-C's. I have a USB-C port in the back of my computer. I use it for one specific reason, which is the VR. I don't really have anything else that's USB-C that I need on the computer right now. So I'm looking to convert them, and I'm going to see if this works. I'll do I'll connect it, and then I'll connect a hard drive to it and do a quick speed test. Now, speed tests are going to vary because I'm connecting this to a hub. If you connect this directly to your computer, you'll probably get better results. So I would add maybe 10 or 20% better result from the USB hub than directly connecting it to the computer. So let's just open it up and see what comes inside, and I'll let you know if it works for my purposes, which is just to be able to add additional USB items. The more USB ports we have on a computer, the better. We just never have enough. It comes in a 2-pack. It was, I believe, part of the daily deals, and we're gonna try them out. So let's take a close-up look at them. It's not long. I didn't want them long. So from tip to tip, they're that long. The actual cable itself, that long. Let me do it here. And it's a USB-A. At one end, 3.0, 3.1, 3.0. It's a plasticky, rubberish type of cable made by UGREEN. I've purchased other items from UGREEN and they work pretty decent. And we're gonna try them out. Hopefully it works for my purposes. So let's connect them to the computer hub. So it didn't work out for me. The USB-C to USB-A adapter are not working. So I'm gonna keep them because compatibility depends on the actual computer or the actual hub. So it's a hit or miss with these adapters. Sometimes some work, and sometimes some don't. But I can't get anything actually to work at all. Nothing. Not my scanner. I've already tried about 3, 4, 5 USB drives, hard drives. Nothing comes up at all. It doesn't seem like these things are working with the hub in the rear of this monitor. All right, so I guess I'll just keep them USB ports, USB-C ports, and use them when I have a USB device. I still have USB 3 connections, so that's not a big deal. And that'll help me continue to make connections. I'm getting a 10-port USB hub, so that'll help me. But the adapters didn't work for me. But it doesn't necessarily mean it won't work for you. It's a hit or miss. I've had this happen before with different computers. Some work, some don't. Usually it happens between PC and Mac more than PC to PC, but in this case it's PC to PC. It didn't work. All right, I hope you liked the video. I hope it helps. Thank you. Bye.
Some info on item. UGREEN USB C to USB adapter Type-C OTG cable 2-pack USB C Male to USB 3.0 a female cable connector compatible for MacBook Pro 2019, 2018, Samsung Galaxy S10 S9 S8 Note 9 8, LG V40 G6, Google Pixel 2 XL, January 16, 2021 cost, $7.99, 2-pack purchased on Amazon's website. USB-C to USB-A. Convert USB-C port into a USB 3.0 port to connect flash drives, USB thumb drives, keyboard, wireless mouse, PS4 game controller, external hard drive etc. Enable Android or Windows USB Type-C phones or tablets work as PC host. Note: please make sure your cell phone supports USB on-the-go function before your purchase. Increased compatibility. Work perfectly with USB-C laptops and smartphones including MacBook Pro 2016, 2017 with Touch Bar, Dell XPS 1513, Samsung Notebook, Galaxy S10 S10e S10 Plus S8 Plus Note 8 S9, LG G7 ThinQ V30 V20 G6 G5, Google Pixel 2 XL, Pixel C, OnePlus 655 T3, Huawei Nexus 6P, Lumia 950 XL, Motorola Moto Z Play, HTC U11 10 and more. Super speed data transfer, support data syncing up to 5 gigabits per second. This USB 3.1 Gen 1 Type-C adapter ensures easy connections and high-speed performance transferring HD videos and songs in seconds. Durable use, corrosion-resistant tin copper conductors and multi-layer shielding resist EMI, providing stable transmission and minimizing data loss. Gold-plated connectors with overmolded strain relief provide a OTG cord with reliable performance and longer life. What you get: UGREEN USB Type-C OTG cable 2-pack. Product description: USB-C OTG UGREEN USB-C OTG cable Type-C to female USB 3.0 adapter, black free up the storage. The UGREEN USB-C OTG adapter allows you to enjoy movies, music or check files on your Type-C phones or tablets from your flash drive or USB stick directly. No need to worry about the storage limitation anymore. Creates more connection. The USB-C OTG cable adds a standard USB-A female port to your USB-C laptop and tablet to connect USB-A accessories like mouse, keyboard, game controller, external drive and variety of external accessories. Super fast sync speed. This USB Type-C comes with USB 3.0 standard, supports high-speed data transfer rate at 5 gigabits per second max, 10x faster than USB 2.0. Files will be transferred in seconds, cut out the loading time for you to do more. Important notes. For phones and tablets, please make sure your device supports OTG function before purchasing. When connecting external hard drives, we recommend to connect it to a USB-C laptop instead of a smartphone. This OT cable is designed for transferring data, we do not recommend using for charging. Universal compatibility: partial list compatible for Apple MacBook Pro 2019/2018/2017, MacBook Air 2018, MacBook 2017-2016, iMac 2017. Compatible for Samsung Galaxy S10, S10e, S9, S9 Plus, S8, S8 Plus, Note 9, Note 8, A50, A40, M20, A8, A9, A3 2017, A5 2017, Tab S5e. Compatible for LG V40, V30, V20, G6, G5, G4. Compatible for Google Pixel, Pixel XL, Pixel 2, Pixel 2 XL, Pixel C, Nexus 6P5X, Chromebook Pixel. Compatible for Dell XPS 15/13/12, Lenovo 900, Lenovo Yoga. Compatible for Huawei Mate 20, Mate 20 Pro, Mate 10, Mate 10 Pro, P30, P30 Lite, P20 Lite, P20, P10, P10 Plus, Mate 9 Pro, P9, P9 Plus, Honor 9, Honor 8. Compatible for Motorola Moto Z, Z Force Droid, Z Play, Z2 Play, Z2 Force, OnePlus 6, 5T, 5, 4, 3T, 3. Compatible for Microsoft Lumia 950, Lumia 950 XL, HTC 10, U11, Uplay, Ultra. Compatible for Sony Xperia 10, XA1, Xperia XA1 Plus Ultra, Xperia XC Premium XC XC XC1 XC1 Compact X Compact, BlackBerry Key. 1. Package content: UGREEN USB Type-C OTG cable, USB-C to USB 3.0 adapter,